Welcome back to ZOS Introduction. This is the 19th video in the series. You will learn how ZOS keeps track of dataset names using the system catalog structure. How does ZOS keep track of millions of dataset names on thousands of disk and tape volumes? The answer is the ZOS catalog structure, which consists of a single master catalog and numerous user catalogs. A ZOS catalog maintains data records about dataset names, user catalog names, and alias names. A system catalog alias entry represents the first segment of dataset name, which is also known as the dataset name high-level qualifier. Submitted JCL program execution might include a need to locate dataset names. z.client.data and z.client.backup. The JCL DD statement only provides the system with the dataset name and a disposition of share, where share means the dataset name should exist and can be shared with other existing workloads. A system catalog has the dataset names with the associated volume label where the dataset names should reside. The system directs the dataset name locate to the volume label associated with the dataset name. A ZOS has a single master catalog. It is a best practice to keep user dataset names in user catalogs. In the diagram shown, the master catalog includes three alias names: Z, client, and credit. Z alias entry is related to catalog.allz. Therefore, a locate of z.client.data and z.client.backup would be directed to catalog.allz to follow through with locating dataset name on the target volume. Client and credit alias entries are related to catalog.apps. Therefore, a locate of client.profile.data and credit.active.report would be directed to catalog.apps to follow through with locating the dataset name on the target volume. The JCL shown only provides ZOS.PDS and a disposition share on the DD statement. When submitted, ZOS catalog structure directed the search for ZOS.PDS to the volume label VPWRKA, where the VTOC would follow through with finding the dataset name extent locations. Examples shown is system utility idcams processing a listcat user catalog command. The submitted output shows a list of the user catalog in the master catalog and the number of user catalogs, which is 62, in the example output. One of the 62 user catalogs is catalog.jva800. Another execution of system utility idcams to process command listcat entry catalog.jvb800 user catalog all. The submitted job output shows the user catalog entry in masterv.catalog, which is the master catalog name, and the output includes the catalog.jvb800 volume, which is JTJVBF. And the output includes the alias names related to catalog.jvb800. In this case, the catalog.jvb800 has only one alias name in the master catalog, referring the system to the user catalog for all dataset names that begin with name JVB800. The IBM Redbook ABCs Volume 3 is a great place to advance your skills related to DFSMS, dataset basics, and catalogs. The ZOS Internet Library, ZOS DFSMS Bookshelf include ZOS DFSMS Managing Catalogs, which provides great detail about the ZOS catalog structure. In summary, you learned how ZOS keeps track of dataset names using the system catalog structure consisting of a master catalog with alias entries and user catalog entries, where the user catalog has the full dataset name with associated disk storage volume label. Thank you for your time.